Alright YouTube, I'm hungry, and today we're going to talk about this Bella's cold smoke generator just a little bit, right? I've been having little issues with it, so what's happened is right about here as I'm using it, it becomes like a clog of pellets. So I'm guessing the pellets have moisture in it. As they burn, that moisture rises and can't escape. And when I pull off this lid, oftentimes there's liquid here, right? And that liquid just drips on down. You can see it dripping on the sides. It drips on the pellets, and over the time of the cook, the pellets expand, and then they dry out. They become hard. So any pellets that are on top can't get down to the fire. What I end up with is just this crap, right? It's a whole bunch of unused pellets, and you know, it's not a good thing, right? So what I've done to try to fix it is I've been coming out here with a screwdriver and poking it, dropping the pellets down. Okay, that kind of works. I've also switched pellets, so I went from Pit Boss to Traeger to Lumberjack to rec-teq, Kingsford. No good. All of them do the same thing. So today, instead of putting up with it, we're removing it. We're going to get something new put in. Alright, so but this video here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove this thing. Alright, it can't be that hard. Squeeze in the backyard. Alright, so here we go. Here goes this removal. It was easy to put in. That's how easy it is to take out. So there goes its first screw in my hand. Alright. First screw completely out. Boom. Put that right there so the dog don't try to eat on it. That's all I need is more vet bills. Alright, I'm going to remove this tube because I'm going to use this on the next one. It is stuck, it don't want to come off. Ain't that just grand? There it goes. That screw I think is out. Yeah, that screw's got to be out. Nope, it's not. A couple more turns there. You also got to remember, I put that high temperature silicone on this thing. So when this thing comes off, it's going to be a little harder than normal, and that pipe is still installed too. So let's see what we can do there. And I think that screw just ripped in there. I don't think it's going to come off either. What do I got? Alright, we're just going to yank it as we unscrew it. See what happens? There it goes. Alright, so now I have to clean this up, right? I don't think it's going to rub off. I'm going to have to go get a razor blade and actually clean that up a bit. Alright, so let me go do that and we'll be right back. I think go for time. Alright guys, overtime. That RV, I think it's RAV or RVA. It'll break down on its own. I ain't gonna sit there and mess with it no more. It's not that important to me. You know, I got these two holes up here at the top. Hopefully that camera hasn't moved and you can see it. And I need to plug those holes, alright? So what I did was I went out to my local hardware store. And I'm reckoning this 2 screws should do that job for me. I shouldn't need a whole lot more than that. So I got these screws, stainless steel screws and some wing nuts. And hopefully these fit right on into the hole almost. I might have to thread them. I will. Look at that. Almost looks like it belongs there besides all that extra RVA. Is that the name of it, RVA? RTV? RTV? The high temperature silicone, alright? The part that I couldn't get off. I'll probably go invest in a small scraper and actually try to do it the right way. You know what I mean? I'm not going to worry too much about it. It's outside, it's in the backyard, and to be quite honest, I just don't care. You know what I mean? Let me get this one in there. I might have to drill it bigger. We'll see. You know it's going. It caught. Man, you'd almost think that belonged there, huh? Alright, so that's the Bella's uninstalled now. I'm going to be installing something else in its place. So I'm going to leave this hole here. There's going to be another video about that. But here's the Bella's uninstalled. Alright, there's a lid for it. I put it somewhere. Right down here on the ground. Alright, here's the Bella's uninstalled. I'm not getting rid of it. It's not a bad little device. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to build like a wood cold smoker, right? I'm going to put it back here in the backyard somewhere. I'm going to use this. I'm thinking the problem I have is the pellets and the amount of wind the fan creates out of this grill here, right? So I don't think it's bad. I just don't think it's right for my application. All right, so we're going to install something else. And for that, you got to wait till the next video. All right, see y'all later. Bye-bye.